So to start off with, I started with the rose and I painted 5 petals around one little gap in the centre, and the one by my eye I just used a smaller brush as I didn't have much space. I added a bit of glitter, and then using the brush the other way around with the red on the outside, I just painted these jagged lines going around, and this is what makes the autumn leaf. Using a smaller brush, I painted the base for a smaller rose on top of the larger one. I painted more of the leaves on while the bases of the 2 flowers were drying. The next layer of the rose, you want to paint a curved line which looks like a petal, and then an inverted version underneath it. And then you want to go underneath those petals and drag the brush in, and that's what creates this 3D rose effect. Then use the same technique on the mini rose I painted as well. I then used a really fine paintbrush and went into my black face paint and started to outline the design. I highlighted the design using a bright yellow face paint, and I just went over where the natural highlights on the roses fall, and also down one side of the veins on the leaves. I painted some black dots at the end of the design, and then I decided I wanted to add some bats to it as well, so I just found a reference picture of a bat silhouette and I painted a few of those on around. And for simple just bat outlines, you just paint like a curved V shape like you would if you were painting a bird. Using a Mark Reed round number 4 brush and a white paint, I added dots and starbursts to the design. Using aloe vera gel, I added some chunky gold glitter. This is the finished autumn rose and leaves face paint. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Halloween face painting content. Goodbye!